Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain each and everything about SEO in your Shopify store. So SEO matters a lot over the Shopify because it's give you extra edge towards your competition, right? So yeah, I will just explain each and everything. And if you're new to it, if you don't know what is SEO, right? So you will just get to know everything. For example, if you don't know what is SEO, so I will just show you. It's called search engine optimization, right? It helps to improve the quality and the quantity of website towards the and it helped you rank over the over the internet, right? For example, if I just work for these two websites, right, and they are just doing crazy over the internet. They are selling around thousands of orders in just a single day. And let me show you what are the different things they have applied as we compare to their competition. So the very first thing that is important, that is called domain, right? If you just go to your store here and just go to the settings, which is in the bottom left side corner, and here if you just go here in the domain, you will see that domain, right? This is my domain. This is my just a try website. I can't show you the real information. So here if you see, the domain matters a lot because your domain should be always be related to what the product you sell. For example, you can see that overlay, it sell clothing product. Yeah, so it's a very similar and it is also trending name, right? And the name should be end with .com, .in, .shop, right? Or .co or .uk, and whichever country you live in, right? Those domain are are very important because those have a great edge to rank over the internet, and they are mostly trustful as compared to other. So make sure it doesn't matter if you have to pay a little extra money, because in the long run you will able to make a lot of money just by getting trust of people, right? And Google should trust them, those domains, right? So make sure you just invest a good amount of money over your domain while buying it, right? And the second thing that the SEO important most, which is in the product. So whenever you upload a photo, make sure you rename those photo related to your product. And if you don't want to do this, you can just install SEO image optimizer. It will reduce the size of the images, because when you just export it from the Photoshop, right, it's the size of these photos are very huge. That's why this tiny SEO and other apps will help you to reduce the size of this application, I mean those images. And in this way your website will load faster, right? Yeah, and the another thing is that, and make sure if you're not able to find the app store, just go to over your home page of Shopify. Over the search bar, just type apps, right? And here you will find it, right? And if you're not find it, you will no need to search anything, and here it will show you. So in this way you will able to just reach here, and you can see search optimizer or search image optimizer, right? And if you were just want to add a booster, you can just do the same thing. For example, if I just search here booster, then it is very important, and some of the are paid version, but I don't do it. I just do it myself manually. That's why I don't install this kind of apps, right? And the another thing that matters a lot in your product, that the images should be the top quality, because they don't have a physical feel of a product, right? So the important thing is that you upload a well quality, well edited photos over the Shopify, because just by seeing the images, the customer trust over your website and they buy it. And the next thing is that in the description of your product, right? In the description of your product, there the keyword should be the high ranking keyword should be in your product description. Let me show you. For example, if I just go to any of the product in this website, okay, let's say I choose this one, right? Let me just click over here, and here in the description you can see, right, some of the keyword words are written here, for example. And if I just go to the product care and the some of the things, so maybe you just don't add a lot of, just add the wanted keywords and matches towards your description, right? So those are the things which is going to help it. And make sure you rename. For example, this is a jacket, so name at the end of the product that what's your product, in what niche it is. So that's matter a lot. And after that, these are the three important things which I wanted to explain you. And yeah, another thing is that if you're not able to find the keywords, just go to, let me show you. If you don't have any subscription of HRF or something, just type Google free keyword research tool, right? And you will find this application here. You can just write, for example, if I just want to type winter clothes, right, I will just hit the enter and find my keyword, and I will just select the industry. You can just select whatever industry you are selling your product or services, right? For example, it's apparel. I will choose the country, right? For example, it's up to you, and this is a free version, so it's not going to change here. But yeah, for example, let me show you. Yeah, you can't change it. So let's say I just click on continue, and it will show me, because I've tried so many, and it will show you a lot of option over your the keywords, the research, everything, the competition, how much advertisers are paying for it, and every information, right? So it's a great tool. You can just use it by yourself. And these are the four information which I wanted to share you for your SEO over your Shopify website. It's a great help, and if you found this video really useful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.